Hey, in this video, we're going to take a look at Upvoty. It's a really simple and easy, well-designed product that lets you get instant feedback on your roadmap, on your content creation calendar, or any kind of internal sort of thing where you need your stakeholders or your tribe to vote on things. They have a really nice approach here, and I'm going to actually set one up in this video and show you how it works. So stay tuned for this. Hey, this is David with another Tech Smart Boss video. Today we're going to look at this product called Upvoty.com. And we've looked at a lot of similar products that allow you to collect that feedback on your product, on your content, on anything. You could use these for more than just software features. Upvoty is another one. I mean, it seems like a lot of these products are coming out, but they all have a slightly different kind of a cool feature about them, so I do like to take a look at them. And this one is reasonably priced, pretty affordably. $15 a month gets you two boards, 150 tracked users, and it kind of gives you a little example of what that means. And of course, three team members, and you can scale up as you need to. So that's pretty cool. Plus, they give you a free trial as well. Now, what I do like, let's look at their demo because they show it pretty well, is they have the concept of a individual board, and you'll see that this looks very much like Canny, different style sheet of course, but you put your feature request over here. You can upload an image and send it in, and then your users can vote on it, comment on it, all those sorts of things. So this one looks to be embedded into a web page, which is always nice. Let's click on this particular one, and you'll see how I can put comments in. And if I try to put comments in, what I like that's about this one that's a little interesting is it does not force you to log in. You'll see that it keeps track of how many anonymous people requested this, and then how many people that actually took the time to log in to get updates and feedback and things like that. So that's the board. But then you can have multiple boards. Remember in that first plan that talked about two boards, where you can combine those boards together in this view here. These are all your boards, and you'll see it's a roadmap where you can actually see across all your boards what you have in the planned state, the in progress state, and what's already been completed. So pretty cool, and I think I can actually, okay, yep, pretty cool. I can click on that and drill down into that as well. So let's go ahead and set up a free trial and get some hands on with this product and see what it's like. I'll go ahead and log in with my Tech Smart Boss. I know some products out there will probably start flagging TechSmart Boss to see if I'm logging in. No credit card required. You know, I like that. I'm not a robot, but here we go again, making me wonder if a robot is smarter than me. Let's see if I can get this right on the first try. All right, I'm getting better at that. So maybe I'm not a robot. All right, next step. What do I want to call what is the name of my dashboard? Let's just keep it as TechSmart Boss. I'm sure I could probably change that. And welcome back. Please enter your email address and password. Now, I did not set up a password, so I'm wondering if it emailed me a password or if I hit the forgot password. So I'm actually going to, before I put a password in right here, I'm going to pause and go check my email to see if it gave me a default password or anything. Stay tuned. Okay, there was nothing about a password in the email, so I'm just going to put a password here and see if it takes it as my, no, it doesn't. So I think what I need to do on my first login here is say forgot password and have it send that to me. So that's a little bit of a strange sort of thing, unless I just totally missed something. But let me now go back there and reset my password. 1 second. Okay, so this time in my email, it did give me a temporary password. So I'm assuming that I'm going to sign in. It's going to actually let me set the password that I want. There it is. So, hey, you got to wake up kind of early in the morning to fool a tech smart boss. So I was able to figure that out, but that could be a roadblock for some users on that. So let's go ahead and set the password I want. There we go. Get started. So now it says, what's the name of your board? So this is that board. So I wanna call this feature requests, or I'm actually gonna call mine ideas in this particular case. And you'll notice that now it's on the upvoty.com domain. And I didn't see a mention of custom domain, but we'll take a look and see. I'm going to put my favorite 005 FAC for my board branding. let's go back to settings. I hit the return key and it saved it. So I could put a description there. I've got my URL. I've got the board form fields that we saw. Company roadmap that we talked about. I can show or hide that. There it is, custom domain. Um, let's take a user authentication. Let's see what this is. I'm sure that's okay. So this is if we want to implement it inside our product and have users automatically authenticated. So that's a nice feature. Let's go back. Let's look at the custom domain. Should be pretty straightforward. Just a CNAME. Yep, it is. So that would always be advised to set your own brand up on that. And then you can see that you've got some board settings where you can allow people to post or you can approve. Now I like that. Now that's something that you don't see on many of the products that Upvoty competes with. That's a feature that I like, and they have that. Because sometimes, users are always right, but guess what? They can be right, but they can still be something that is a boneheaded idea. You could just thank them for their idea and not post it as an idea for people to vote on. Comments, votes, there it is. All right, let's take a look at our page now. So this is it. Pretty straightforward. Now let's go back and see what else we could do. If there was the widget that we want to, that's the widget. Here's our board. Let's see what's under there. And it's pretty straightforward. I mean, there's not a lot that you have to worry about doing. Now, what's this little chat icon? That's the comments. So now, what I wonder is, let's go ahead and add a comment here, and make a money making. My keyboard is having some issues here. I'm gonna have to type really slow. Machine. I'll just keep it really simple. Let's create that. Now, there it is. I'm already logged in, so it's counting me as the logged in user there. But I'm going to put a comment here. And you know how people like to put plus ones in their comments? I'm just going to put a plus one right there. I think that say something. Don't say plus one. All right, let's refresh this section and see what that comment comes in as. There it is. Status approved. So that's nice. Let's edit this and see if I could unapprove comments. I can delete them, which is nice. And see if I edit. What can I actually edit? I can. Oh well. Okay, that's nice that I can actually edit the idea and the details. That's a nice touch. Let's go back to that comment for a second. I did see a change status. Let's see a change status. That should change the status if it's under review. So that's that. Oh, there it is. That's what I was looking for. Under the comment, there's an edit. So I could actually change your comment if you did type something inappropriately. I can delete your comment. Let's go ahead and reply to this comment and just say thank you. And put that in there. And then let's refresh and just see how if that threads up or how that works. And there it is. Yeah, in a nice threaded format. So you can't really beat this. Now let's take a look and see if we've got some branding that we can work here, or what these icons up here represent. That is going to probably be the roadmap. That's their roadmap. That's going to be a chat widget to get into their support. That's going to be their FAQs. That's going to take me to my things. All right, so that's all pretty straightforward. And this is what we're looking for, settings. So now I can change company. I'm looking to see if I can. Okay, there it is, company logo. So I was looking to see if I could put my logo there. And so let's actually go ahead and change some of these. And let's put a logo in there. I think I have a Tech Smart Boss logo that I can use right there. Let's bring that in there and save. That didn't, I'm assuming that it took that logo. Let's actually refresh and see. I'm assuming that their logo will now disappear with my logo. If there it is. All right, so it did take it. And it's got now more of my bluish tint versus their orange. And then as you can see, I can go through and set up my custom domain, email. So you're notifying people. Bring in your team members. Remember, you get, I believe, 3 with that lowest level plan. There it is, 3. and 2 boards. So pretty, I mean, it doesn't really get much easier. Pretty straightforward. And this competes really well with a lot of the other products that we've looked at in this space, definitely from a price point and a functionality point. So try it out. Try it out. Take a look at Upvoty. And if you do like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check out our Facebook page. Go out to techsmartboss.com for all the other things that we do. And I will talk to you on the next video.